AI-MER, agentic matchmaking. So let's find love.
Hey, I'm Soul, your personal agent. I'm excited to get to know you. What's been on your mind lately?
Hi. Oh, that's a loud mic. Hi, Soul. How are you doing?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you? How's your week been going?
It's going great. I just took part in a hackathon.
That's awesome. Hackathons are so intense. What kind of project did you work on?
I worked on a project that I'm currently demoing, which you are part of.
Wait, I'm part of your demo? That's so cool. What made you want to build something around dating relationships?
Well, I felt like it was something that people struggled with, to build genuine connections. And also, a lot of people were terrified with online conversations, as you know, there are a lot of threats and weird messages out there.
I'm getting a good sense of who you are. What are you working toward right now?
Well, hopefully, I'll be working towards making this project better and new products in the future.
That's ambitious. What kind of lifestyle are you hoping to build around that work?
Well, I think I want to build like um more
Got it.
intuitive. Oh,
Sounds like you're aiming for that sweet spot where work doesn't consume everything.
yeah.
How do you usually like to spend your downtime?
Well, I like to do a lot of different activities. I do play golf. I sometimes play badminton too. Just hanging out with friends is something that keeps me alive.
Love that mix of active and social. Golf and badminton are such different vibes. How do your friends usually describe you?
Well, my friends would describe me someone as caring, um, hardworking.
That's really sweet. Sounds like you're the one they come to when they need support. What kind of care do you look for in return?
Honestly, somebody just is there for me. Somebody that is honest and respectful.
Those are solid basics. Honesty and respect make everything else possible. What are your absolute deal breakers?
Well, somebody who's not honest. Somebody that's not truthful with what they say.
Yeah, fakeness is the worst.
So now,
Life's too short for people who can't keep it real with you. All right, let me put together your
so
profile.
now,
One
from the
second.
conversation, it slowly hit and finished all of these red things. It got all the information that now it believes it can make me a good profile. So it did. It makes me a profile of who I am. I can always change that name. Then it always it puts in the middle, and then I can adjust it. I guess I'm like a middle-ish type person. So tells me about values and goals. Something I best this is now it's gonna use this whole profile to create me my own Gemini agent that's gonna essentially mimic me. So I guess I'll select adventurous and then we can save our profile. So I have to create an account. I do already have a lot of accounts on this site. It's Google, but I guess yeah. Also, let's make an account. I'll just quickly make a new account. I'm using my main email, some on an old account, and you'll probably see those accounts soon. So anyway, let's first look at our profile. So it knows about me. My name is Unheard. hackathon builder and connection seeker. It has a good profile for me. I can always edit my profile. Anyway, so let's try finding a match. So our first match is Sam Parker. I do have some synthetic data. So this agent status is not ready right now. So for example, Sam is not, he has not activated his agent. Okay, AC, that's my old account. That's not going to be active. And then Ava. So Ava is our demo bot and she is ready to talk. So her agent is activated. So I can activate my agent. Our pre-compatibility is 81%. So as they talk, I'll explain you the compatibility stuff. Let's see, Alex, and then we can always keep going. All right, so Ava and me are gonna start talking now. So the compatibility is gonna be determined by a series of breakdowns. So the pre-score, the personality score, the flow, and the topic. So you can see the topic is the lowest right now, and as the conversations move forward, um, the topics will get better. So like they're talking about just random stuff that they both kind of feel like they're gonna be aligned with, right? And then as they go about this conversation, their 1 minute deadline, and at 1 minute the conversation is stopped, and then at that point we calculate the compatibility scores and see if it's above 65%. So the scores are compatibility scores are calculated by a formula that we use. Um, I'll show you guys the formula later on. But now since we're above 65%, it says we have found a match with Ava. So it says with Ava, it tells us the dates for this upcoming Friday at 7 p.m. and where it's gonna be at a coffee house. So if we click yes, schedule it, it's data added to upcoming dates. You can still talk to other people on the platform. And then the date is also here in your profile. So upcoming dates with Ava. Alright, so jumping to our slideshow. So we went to our voice onboarding, which was done through ElevenLabs with real-time transcription. Then we had a MongoDB Atlas that is basically where all our data is stored for each user profile and their user profile vectors. It's powered by the Gemini engine for actually creating user profiles, talk to each other. Then we have a real-time speed dating that we saw, and it goes up as the conversation progresses. Okay. This is what I want to show you guys, the scoring engine. So the scoring is done by this unique formula, and it measures these four categories. So it's a vector similarity formula, and it uses telemetry accumulators and EMA smoothing to provide a stable compatibility trend, and it looks at the topic embeddings in each message, assigns values to them, and then an analysis has happened through this formula and based on the weights, and then we make a match report that creates a trend line. And we have seen the recommendation, so when it goes above 65%, it does it. And that's essentially how this whole project is built through our full stack architecture. Thank you everyone for tuning in,